God, it's Dream from where the yoko's grown, and we are sitting in the backyard, and that's because in today's video we are going to be starting cucumber, pumpkin, squash, watermelon, and cantaloupe seeds and a couple of other varieties of melons. I'm about a week late in getting these started, but I thought I'd take you along with me as I start them and maybe have a little bit of a chit chat. So if you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, I am so glad that you are here again. Let's get these seeds planted. Let's talk about, wow, that's close. Okay, let's talk about the varieties of melons that we're gonna plant. We're gonna plant Kajari melons, Sugar Queen melons, Israeli melons. If you have never tried an Israeli melon, when they come out mid-September, I highly recommend you go get one of those. And then we are going to be planting watermelon plus pollinator. Now the pollinator I didn't end up putting in the container. I don't really think it needs it because they're going to be planted near each other. The next one was a summer sweet seedless. And then, hold on, my apologies, a buttercup, a summer sweet, and a solitaire, all seedless watermelons. So I am not going to be planting a lot of plants. I should say I'm not going to be planting a lot of seeds in plants of each one of these varieties. So the first variety that we are going to plant, this is from youngseeds.com, and it is a watermelon. It has 10 seeds. It's a solitaire hybrid plus self-pollinator. And I'm only going to do 2 plants. Okay, the containers that I'm using are just containers that I've kept from other plants that I've purchased. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Nothing special, just clean them out. So we're gonna do 1 seed. And if you're wondering how I filled these up, you can see that right here. Next one is going to be a summer sweet plus hybrid. It is a red seedless watermelon. Another one, its seeds came out of its package. That one just planted itself. There we go. Just going to gently push it into the soil. Next one is a yellow buttercup hybrid. So as y'all know, I have moved or moving to a new homestead, and so we have a lot more space than, of course, what we have here. So we're able to plant big crops like this. So this is an Israeli melon. If you've never had one of these won't be ready until fall, basically September here. I think September, mid-September, even end of September, but these are amazing. And then finally, the last one is Kajari melon. We'll go over these here in just a minute. We're just going to top each one with a little extra soil. Had to readjust. This chair's not the most comfortable. Okay, so for cucumbers, we do a lot of pickling. Dill pickles, bread and butter pickles, sweet relish, dill relish. We like our pickles. So, homemade pickles, pick a bushel hybrid, Hocus. This is also known as the gherkin cucumber. I think it's pronounced Suyo or Soyo long. National pickling. And the Market 76. So those are our cucumbers. And then, now these plants, I'm only planting like 2 plants per thing. I'm not planting a whole bunch of them. We have early sweet sugar pie. White queen pumpkin, which is the small white pumpkin. We are going to plant butternut squash. Then we're going to plant the medium white pumpkin. Red warty thing. Sweet meat. The little orange, the little Jack, I think they're called, yeah, Jack B. Littles. Orange pumpkins. I always mess this one up, but I think it's called Jaharadol pumpkin. And then of course you have to have the big jack-o'-lanterns for the kids to carve. And this is the one that I'm the most excited about. This is called a Dark Night Hybrid. Now it is like the deepest green that you can be, but it almost looks black. I'm excited about that one. And then of course Cinderella pumpkins. And for those of you who've been around for a while, you've probably figured out why I'm growing so many pumpkins. Fall and Halloween are huge holidays here at the house for us, and we love to decorate. So let's get these planted. Hey you all, I am truly sorry for all that background noise. I wanted this video to be a true chit-chat video, but it seemed like the more I tried to talk between my allergies and the background noises, it just wasn't working out. So I hope that you found a little bit of value in this video today. If you did, be sure to give us a like and a thumbs up. It helps our channel to grow, and you might consider subscribing so you can see where all of these beautiful seeds that we just planted end up in our new garden at our new homestead. Till I see you in the next video, you all take care of yourselves, you keep your heads up, and more importantly, you keep growing. Bye-bye, y'all.